In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your calculator to find the roots of quadratic equations and also how to find the unknowns of simultaneous equations. This calculator I'm using is the mobile version, and it's actually very similar to the normal calculator. The first thing you have to do is to reset your calculator to the normal mode, to the default mode. We call on the mode function. The mode functions actually shows us the different modes of operation which our calculator can perform. Once I click on the mode function, it brings out different operations. The mobile version here can actually perform these operations, and once you click on the mode, you look for the operation mode which should be able to solve quadratic equations. It shows you different equations. Since we are solving quadratic equations, first of all, we pick the equation in the form of a quadratic equation. The form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here we have this here, and here we have x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So let's pick an equation we want to solve. The equation we want to solve here is x squared minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So make sure your equation is actually arranged properly in the form of a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Coefficient of x squared is 1. We just press 1 and equal to. The coefficient of x is minus 2. You press minus 2 and equal to. And the coefficient of and c, our constant, is minus 8. We just press minus 8 and equal to. It fills in the box, and we press equal to get the roots. So it's solved for the roots. So we have our roots here. The first root is minus 2. Pressing equal to again, we have the other root, which is 4. So that is how to solve find the roots of quadratic equation. To solve simultaneous equation, we also click on mode again, find the operation mode which is going to solve simultaneous equation. So it's something relating to equations. So if you are using a normal calculator, you can click on equation again. So let's take that of two unknowns. So we have two unknowns, ax plus by equals to c. Two unknowns. Our unknowns here, x and y. Let's click on that. We have it in this form. So what you have to do also again is to make sure you arrange your equation properly in the right form. So the equation we're going to use, 3x minus 5y equals to 3 and 2y minus 6x equal to minus 5. Make sure it's in that form. So the coefficient of x, that is our a, is 3 equal to, of b minus 5 equal to 3 equal to. For the second equation, we have the coefficient of x is not 2. So look carefully, it's actually minus 6. So minus 6. Or to avoid that problem, you can just arrange it in the form minus 6x plus 2y equal to minus 5. But if you know what you are doing, there's no problem. So the coefficient of x is minus 6 equal to. The coefficient of y is 2. This is our b, and c is equal to minus 5. So we have our unknown x 19 over 24 and y minus 1 over 8. So knowing how to use your calculator is actually going to help you a lot. I hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.